Hi neighbor, welcome to me, the Black Chef YouTube channel. Today, I'm mixing two different food together. Let's go weird together, neighbor. So stay tuned to the end of this video. Maybe it's okay to eat, or maybe it's not okay to eat. So neighbor, we have cooked beans and just natural cooked beans, and we are mixing it with, yes, vegetable. Actually, people always mix beans with pepper, yes, pepper most especially. But today I'm mixing it with vegetable, not just vegetable, draw vegetable. Draw soup with beans. Let's mix it together. Let's see how it goes. So before we mix together, I've already bought small Hollandia because I don't know, I've never tasted this before and I don't know how it will taste. So I decided to get myself this small Hollandia just in case it's going weird. So I just easily use Hollandia to bring it down. Let's go. This is the draw soup. Come on. See? And some, we call it momo, and some proteins. See? Huh? Will you be trying this thing? Let me know in the comment section. Will you be trying this thing soon? Or you want me to try it first? So before trying, that's it. This is it. I can see. Like I said earlier, before I start, having my Hollandia got somewhere beside me in case I can't feel the taste. Never will you be trying this thing soon? So this is the protein. This is the beans. This is the beans. Conjunction with draw soup. Some small protein. Actually, beans contain more protein. Yes. So and this is vegetable draw soup. Vegetable. So let's try it together. Let's see how it tastes. Maybe it's something we can just change from pepper and just change it to vegetable draw soup. Let's try it together. This is a no-no. Please let me eat my protein in peace. Let me just eat the pomo. Come on, this is disgusting. This red food is something else. This red food is something else. Please don't try this thing, no, because I just decided to give it a try, and I can't feel the vibe. Actually, I can just only feel the vibe of the sweetness of the beans, because normal beans has this sweetness, just natural sweetness, and this vegetable makes it look like something like and I think vegetable is only meant for draw soup. Is only meant for swallow. Only if you know something, you can just use vegetable to eat, except swallow. Please let me know in the comments because I can't feel the vibe of the draw soup and beans inside this. Come on, I can't feel it. So let me know, will you be trying something weird like this? And please let me know the taste after you tried it. Because me, I don't think, since vegetable is good in the body and beans also is good for the body. I mean, vegetable, just soup, and protein is good for the body system. I just feel like I should just mix the two together. If two things that is good for the body system mix together before you get into the stomach, maybe you can just bring something. But come on, I can't feel the vibe here. Please let me eat my protein there. My this momo. Yeah, I'm not trying this again. Will you be trying it? Please let me know in the comments. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for you not to miss my next weird food. And don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And don't forget to stay creative. Don't forget to try something new, something weird. See you in my next video. Weird. Peace out.